BTCC Review 2024. Fees, Features, Security, and more. BTCC specializes in cryptocurrency futures trading, offering up to 150x leverage on popular assets such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and others. For seasoned traders, this high leverage option provides the potential for amplified returns, though it carries increased risk. Futures contracts on BTCC are customizable, allowing traders to adjust contract types and expiration dates based on their strategies. One of BTCC's standout features is its free demo trading platform. New traders can practice trading without risking real funds, familiarizing themselves with the platform's interface and learning essential trading strategies. This feature makes BTCC accessible for beginners looking to gain confidence in crypto trading. BTCC Token, BTCC offers its own token, BTCT, which provides holders with trading fee discounts and other benefits. Holding BTCT can help reduce trading costs, especially for active traders. Additionally, BTCT can be used as collateral in futures trading, offering added flexibility and utility for users. While BTCC focuses heavily on futures trading, it also offers spot trading options for those who prefer lower-risk trading. The platform includes several major crypto pairs, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios by purchasing and holding digital assets in their wallets. For those interested in automation, BTCC offers API access, enabling traders to connect third-party trading bots and customize their trading strategies. This is a convenient feature for advanced traders who want to capitalize on market movements without being actively engaged. BTCC is known for its competitive fee structure, particularly in the futures market, which makes it appealing for high-frequency and high-leverage traders. Here's an overview of BTCC's fee structure in 2024. Futures trading fees. Futures trading on BTCC comes with a 0.06% fee for takers and a 0.02% fee for makers, which is competitive compared to other platforms in the market. Spot trading fees. BTCC charges a flat 0.1% fee for both makers and takers on spot trades, making it cost-effective for users who prefer spot trading or who are looking to hold assets long-term. Discounted fees with BTCT. By holding and using BTCT, users receive additional discounts on their trading fees, making trading even more economical. This discount is particularly beneficial for frequent traders looking to reduce costs over time. BTCC places a high priority on security, implementing several layers of protection to ensure user funds and information remain secure. Cold wallet storage. To minimize risks associated with online threats, BTCC stores the majority of users' funds in offline cold wallets. This measure prevents unauthorized access and helps safeguard assets from potential hacking attempts. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. BTCC requires 2FA for sensitive account actions such as logins, withdrawals, and API integrations. This additional security layer helps protect user accounts from unauthorized access. KYC and AML compliance. BTCC complies with Global Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations, ensuring that all users are verified. This transparency reinforces BTCC's commitment to security and reduces fraudulent activity on the platform. Regular audits and insurance fund. BTCC undergoes regular third-party security audits and has set up an insurance fund to cover unforeseen losses. This provides an added layer of confidence for users, knowing there are safeguards in place to protect their funds. Why choose BTCC in 2024? BTCC combines extensive experience, innovative trading tools, and a commitment to security, making it a solid choice for crypto traders in 2024. With its focus on futures trading, user-friendly demo account, and competitive fee structure, BTCC appeals to a wide range of traders, from beginners to advanced users. Plus, the added security measures give peace of mind to users, ensuring their assets are well protected. The question is ready to try BTCC? Click the sign up link in the video description and comments to start trading with BTCC and explore everything it has to offer.